How to find Realmojis, notifications, settings, location on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find that easy and quick. First open Play Store or App Store and make sure your BeReal is updated. Then open it, and after that click on your profile here, and then click on it again, and once you're here click notifications, and here we'll find the Realmojis. Now you can turn it off or on, it's easy, and then just go back, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.